Hi everyone, Mike McConville here. It is a beautiful Friday afternoon. We're just finishing up, in fact we are finished, this CGC FAD tuning. The compensated nut has been done. So I did end up stepping this up to a 56 thou low C because the 49 was just flapping. So now this low C with a 56 thou on there, yeah, it's good and taut. You're getting a good solid fundamental note. Frets are dressed, the input jack was cutting out, we put a new battery in, and the frets have been leveled, dressed, crowned, and polished, and this has never been better than it is right now. So this guitar is now playing more accurately, more easily, and more in tune than it ever did.